Today's video will be about tires. Unfortunately, it's a thing that gets worse every year, and not because it wears out. The rubber dries out and starts to crack. After looking at the tires, I realized that one of them will no longer be able to pass the technical safety control. Some are still in reserve. It is quite difficult to buy new ones at the moment. It is a pity to throw away a tire that is not worn out, but it will no longer be suitable for traffic. Good thing, it is possible to mount it on a tractor. At least some benefit. It happened to find unused tires. But they are still at least 20 or even more years old. Some are also improperly stored. And soon the defects are revealed again. Heard a lot about exploding the tire. I'm not sure if that would help, but it seems to be safer to pump air this way. And if the tire is already removed, I took the opportunity to refresh the paint. The brake disc also received a new coat of paint. The recipe for bolting a wheel is simple. Match the cones for the disc and the screw. Then the same on the opposite side. Come straight enough. And you need a minimum amount of towing after the specified kilometers. Of course, thread treatment with grease. So that you can still unscrew it next time. When changing only the outer wheel, you can do without a jack. I like that lazy option. Thanks if you watched.